Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to clear browsing data on any Oppo phone. For example, I will open Google Chrome, then tap on the three dots over here. And from here, you will find the option of delete browsing data. Just tap on it, then tap on more options. And from here, just select the data which you want to delete. Now, if you want to delete the browsing history, just select browsing history. And if you want to delete all the tabs, all the saved passwords, and all the site settings, just select the options which you want to delete. Just like that. Now, once you select the data which you want to delete, the next step is to select the time period of the data which you want to delete. Now, just tap on last hour. Now, from this pop-up menu, just select the time period. Now, if you select the last 15 minutes, it will remove the browsing data of your last 15 minutes. And for example, if you select the last 4 weeks, it will delete your browsing data of the last 4 weeks. And if you select all time, it will delete all your browsing data. After you do that, the next step is to tap on delete data. Then tap on got it. Now, as you can see, this is how you can clear browsing data on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.